In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Edge to privately log into Gmail. Privacy is a major concern in today's digital age, and knowing how to maintain your confidentiality online is crucial. So, let's dive right into how you can ensure your Gmail sessions remain private using Microsoft Edge. First, you'll need to launch the Edge browser on your computer. You can find this on your desktop or from your computer's program menu. Microsoft Edge is a streamlined browser, and using its privacy features can really enhance your online security. Next, once you have the Edge browser open, take a look at the top right corner. You'll see the three-dot menu there. Click on this and you'll notice a drop-down menu with several options. One of these options is extremely helpful for privacy-conscious users, selecting New in Private Window. This option is pivotal because it opens a new window specifically designed for private browsing. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, there's a faster way to achieve the same result. Simply press Ctrl, Shift and N simultaneously on your keyboard. This command is a quick method to open an in-private window without navigating through the drop-down menu, allowing for a more seamless experience if you're multitasking or in a rush. With your in-private window open, you'll notice a slight difference in the look, usually signified by a small blue indicator at the top, showing you're browsing privately. In-private browsing is essential as it doesn't save your browsing history, cookies, or site data, ensuring a clean slate every time. Now in this window, navigate to the Gmail website by typing gmail.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the Gmail homepage, proceed with entering your Gmail credentials to log in. Don't worry about being tracked or leaving traces behind. The in-private browsing mode takes care of this for you. After you finish checking your emails and are ready to log out, or if you're done with that session, all you need to do is close the in-private window. You can do this by clicking the X button on the top right corner of the window. This action is crucial because it automatically clears all browsing data associated with your Gmail session. It's like having a clean slate every time, ensuring that no passwords, cookies, or history are stored on your physical device. And there you have it, a secure, private way to access your Gmail using Microsoft Edge. This method is not only easy, but also adds an extra layer of protection to your online activities. Whether you're at home or using a public computer, it's always a good idea to keep your sessions private to protect your personal information. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful.